I'm a First Amendment guy right down the line, and just take a position that nothing should be restricted by government, that whatever the means by which the memes are sorted out, it should not be the wisdom of a benevolent government telling us what kind of images we should have. The tough one is images of pain and abuse, images of psychological degradation. I don't know exactly what to do about that. If you go back to the roots of Western civilization and read Plato's Republic, Plato was very suspicious of the poets and did not think those people should be just allowed to run untrammeled over the landscape. And here at Esalen, a great deal of time and effort has been expended to establish the medical concept that there are healing images. Stan's work, some of Michael Murphy's work, some of the Continuum work. Healing images are an article of faith around here. I believe it. But has anybody stopped to notice that if there are healing images, there are sickening images? Well, then, if you have tuberculosis, we don't say you have a right to mingle with the rest of us, or if you have some other rampantly contagious disease. Well, so then if you're carrying a meme which is toxic, then, do your First Amendment rights exceed the mental health rights of the majority? This is a nightmare issue to discuss because, I heard a discussion on talk radio and somebody was inveighing against Silence of the Lambs and saying, it caused psychotic behavior. And somebody else called in and said, well, if you want to ban books that cause psychotic behavior, I think you better start with the Bible. It's caused more psychotic behavior among more people than any other book in history. Certainly true, but we're not obviously going to do that. But what is the relationship to toxic information? And psychedelic people, I think, can take a more cutting-edge role on this because we know the danger of toxic information, because if you encounter some in your trip, it can really throw you for a loop.